What's up, Peak Timers? Phil here from Peak Time Racing. It's been a long time since we've done some peg hunting, and I'm at one of my favorite, it's actually a grocery store that I always find really good Hot Wheels in here. So I decided, you know what? Let's do it. Let's do a peg hunting video. Let's go on inside and let's see if we can find some cool Hot Wheels. I mean, potentially there's like new Hot Wheels, there's sets, there's all different types of stuff that we can potentially find in here. So let's go ahead and throw my nice mask on here, and I will see you guys inside.
And we first walk into the aisle and we'll just go right over to the Hot Wheels. Here we go. Let's see what we have here. We got some Matchbox. We got a bunch of Hot Wheels. It actually looks pretty stocked here, kind of impressive. So let's go ahead and see what we have on this side here first. We got some Monster Jam stuff. The ice cream truck. I like this one, the ice cream truck Monster Jam one. We got this one right here, the Grave Digger. Here's some Matchbox super fast cars. Looks like a lot of the same ones in there. Nothing crazy. Yeah, there's just that Volvo. I think I have this one already. What do we have here? We've got a Matchbox. Look at us, all the same. Okay, that's weird. What are these? Ooh, look at this, Minions. Okay, Stuart from Minions. We got a bunch of the Minions cars here. Not too bad. Let's see here. Let's see what other ones we have behind here. I don't think I actually have these Minion ones. Let's see here. Let's see what this one looks like here. Okay, Carl. Carl looks pretty cool. Kind of looks like a sports car. We'll throw them back here and let's go ahead and have a look through the Hot Wheels. Ooh, we've got the color shifter Hot Wheels. Ooh, I don't have these. We've got the Cobra. I like this one here. The Shelby Cobra 427 and the Dodge Viper. All right, we might have to pick those ones up. Do we have anything else here? Nah, nothing really that I really care about. All right, we'll move on here. Let's have a look at the cars here. We got the Triumph TR6. What else do we have behind here? There's the Kia Stinger GT. It doesn't look like there's anything too crazy here. Maybe we'll have a quick look. There's another Kia here. There's a couple fantasy cars right here. I really like this Kia Stinger GT. This gray color looks really good though. We got a bunch of 5-packs and let's have a look at what we have. All right, there's seems to be a lot of these Fast and Furious ones here, but I've already got this one, I believe, but this one's actually pretty cool. The Porsche, the Skyline GTR, there's the Mustang. There's a couple of them on the back as well. There's a lot of them in here. There seems like there's mostly all these Fast and Furious packs. There's maybe one different one just right in the back right here. And nothing special, nothing really that I want. Here, what is this? Street Beast. Okay, I don't know if I've seen this one before. Maybe I have. We'll put that one back. More Fast and Furious ones. Okay, we'll have to throw those ones back. We'll leave those ones down. Let's see what we have down here for these little packs right here. Okay, that's $74.99. We got a big track here. We can put it into a bunch of different configurations. That's not too bad. What is this one? We've got this one right here, Volcano Escape. This one actually looks really cool. Craziness. Oh, there's the drift one. I've actually already got this drift one right here. I bought this one for a video a long time ago, and it's actually pretty fun. It's pretty cool. So we definitely have that one here. You can put it into a couple different ways, and you can have the cars drift all the way around. Fun video we did. We might have to do another video with that drift track again pretty soon here. We've got a loop right here, which you can control. There's some 10 packs right here. Let's see if we got anything interesting in here. No, we've already got that. We've already got this. We've already got the Volvo. What other ones do we have right here? Nothing too interesting. These 10 packs I think I've seen all before. There's a lot of fantasy cars in there, so we'll leave those alone for now. We'll have a look down here and see what else we can find. Ooh, we got the Mystery Models. Mystery Models 2. I like this. This is like a Miami edition one here. We've got the Corvette C7 Stingray, the Viper Chevy as kind of the top cars. I think I've seen that pack before, so we'll leave that. Monster Truck Camaros. Nothing too interesting there. All right, I think we'll just move on and see what else we can find right here. All right, going down this aisle right here, and whoa, check this one out. We've got a giant dump in, $1.25, a Hot Wheel. And wow, look at all these ones. There's a bunch of new ones in here. There's the Ford GT40, the Mars Perseverance Rover, Nissan GTR in the new yellow color. Love that one. Porsche 935. There's the GTO Loopster. We've got right here, what else do we have? We've got a bunch of new ones. Dior 3. There's the CRX. Ooh, Ford GT Race. There's the new color of the Ford GT Race. Let's dig through and see what else we can find here. We've got, ooh, there's a Subaru down here. There's that yellow Subaru. Koenigsegg Jesko, the 2020 Koenigsegg Jesko in the new gray color. We'll throw that down for a second here. Maybe we'll pick that one up. What else do we have down here? There's another one of the GT40s. We got to dig down here, see what else we can find. There's that BMW M3 GT3. There's the Civic Si. What else do we have? All right, let's see what else we can see here. If we can find anything. There's another one of the Civics. There's another BMW there. What is this? Ooh, there's the RX-7. That one comes as a super treasure hunt. I really like this black RX-7. There's that BMW. Some of the Fast and Furious cars. What else do we have here? We've got a bunch of different ones in here. I'm going to dig down a little bit deeper here so we can pull some stuff out. There's an RX-7. Ooh, I really like the Lancia, the Delta one. That one's really cool. I'm going to dig down more and see if we can pull up, maybe possibly find a super treasure hunt here. Here's a Ford GT race again. What else do we have right down here? We're gonna just keep pulling cars up. Doesn't look like anyone has touched these. Ooh, there's the 2021 Ford Bronco in blue. Really like that car. We'll probably have to get that. Let's throw that aside right here. There's that, ooh, Trailblazer, or the Silverado Trail Boss. Sorry, that one's a really cool one too. I like that one. There's another one of the Ford GT races. Let's see what else we have here. I don't even know if these have been touched before. It looks like nobody's even gone through here. These are all like fresh cars. There's another Ford GT40. We're going to just keep digging here. Oh, I really like this new color of this GMC Cyclone. Love the look of that one. We'll see, maybe get that one too. Here, let's see what else we have. There's the nice ones there. What do we have? There's another Porsche down here. We're just going to keep digging, see if we can find anyone, another GTR. I really like this, the color of that new Porsche. There's the bus. No, pixel shaker. No, nothing down here. Ooh, the Lamborghini Urus. Oh, yes, I really like that one. That one we'll probably have to get. We'll have to see about that. What else do we have down here? We're just going to keep pulling cars up. There's another Cyclone, another Civic, another GTR down here. So can we find anything else? There's got to be... Oh, I got to get that GT40. I really like it. Even though I've already got it, I really, really like the GT40 and the GT Race. We like that one here. We're just going to keep digging through. Mars Perseverance Rover again. Love that. What else can we find in here? There's another Civic. There's Chevelle. Ooh, look at that Jaguar. XESV Project 8 in red. Love that new color of that. We'll probably have to pick that one up as well. What else do we have down here? We're just going to keep digging. There's a Locomotor in. This is a funny car. I mean, I've already got that one. Probably won't have to buy that one again. What else do we have in here? We're just going to keep pulling stuff up here. If we find anything else interesting. Oh, this one's really cool. See Me Rollin', the new car that has the dice on it on the top. Really, really interesting. All right, we'll put that aside for a second. Maybe we'll get that. I don't know. We've got the GT. Ooh, there's that. Oh, what is this? What is this? We've got to find some other stuff here. Nah, I think there's... I mean, we've gone through a lot of it here. What else do we have? GT40. Yeah, we're probably going to get that. We're probably going to get the Trail Boss. I'm trying to decide which we should get here. Maybe I'll put a few of them back. We'll see if we can find any more. There's a lot of the Civics, a lot of the Lancias, a lot of the CRXs there. Can we see anything? There's got to be a Super down here somewhere. Oh, come on, come on. There's got to be a Super down here. We got to find one here. Let's dig. Keep digging. There's another Urus. Probably have to grab that one. What else do we have down here? Another Locomotor. No, there doesn't seem to be much. You know what, guys? I think we'll just we'll put all the cars that we have aside here, and let's head on over to the checkout, and we'll get the cars that we have, and we'll go to the car.
All right, we are back inside of the car. Let's go ahead and take the mask off. I've got my bag of cars here, so let's go over and see what we have here. I'll show you guys all the different cars that I found. So let's start it off with a lot of the mainline stuff that I found. So we found obviously the new Honda Civic Si right here, which is really, really cool. Like to have those. I love the 2021 Ford Bronco. So I'm super excited to get another one of these. I want to open one of these up and put it onto my display of new for 2021 cars. We've got the new recolor of the Ford GT Race in this new silver color with the Borla on the side of it. Really, really like that one. What else did we find right here? We've got some more mainlines. We've got the Mars, what is it called? The Mars Perseverance Rover. I don't know why I can't say the word, but there it is, the Mars Perseverance Rover. So we got one of those. Obviously it's the new rover that just landed on Mars recently. So really, really cool to collect one of those. So I got another one of those. We got the Jaguar XESV Project 8. I love this new glossy red color. I think it looks super, super cool with those blacked out wheels on there. So awesome, awesome. Love to have that. What else do we have in here? We got some more main lines here. We've got the 2017 Lamborghini Urus. There it is, 2017 Lamborghini Urus. Ooh, like that, like that. Doesn't that look good? Like that. That's the new color of that one. We've got the 2017 Nissan GTR R35 in yellow. Love it. Doesn't it look awesome? Yellow, you guys know, is my favorite color, so definitely was super excited to get another one of those ones. And did we get any more main lines? Oh, we got a couple more main lines here. Ooh, obviously, you guys saw this one when I was peg hunting. one of my favorites here. We've got the Koenigsegg Jesko, or Jesko, however you guys want to say it. There's that new recolor of it, that dark gray color. I think it looks absolutely fantastic. So I'm super excited to get one of those ones here. And we got the Ford GT40. Oh, check that one out. Love the GT40. Doesn't that look awesome? Reminds me of the Ford versus Ferrari movie. I actually just watched that movie again the other day. So super excited to find another one of those ones. And then we did get some color shifter cars as well. We got the Dodge Viper, and I picked up a couple of these recently. I want to do a video of these color shifters, so I want to put them into like hot water and cold water again. Super fun to do that before, because now we got some new colors of them. So there's the Dodge Viper, and if we check in the back, it kind of shows you like the different colors and stuff like that it changes. But we'll definitely be finding that out once we actually test them out and put all of our color changers in water. And we also got the color changer Ford, no, it's not Ford, Shelby Cobra 427 SC. There it is right there. Shelby Cobra, awesome, awesome. And there's some of the colors that it turns as well, so you can see that, and we'll definitely be testing that one out. We'll see that one in the future. I did pick up a few other groceries and stuff, and my grand total was $28.35. So I mean, not a lot to spend when I do peg hunting. I mean, sometimes I've spent like $300 when I gone peg hunting, but you know what? I'm super excited that we found a lot of awesome cars, guys. And if you guys appreciated this peg hunting video, make sure you guys smash that thumbs up and let me know if you guys want some more peg hunting videos in the future. I will catch you guys on the next one. Peace.